Hey guys, I'm Adam Fennig with Fennig Equipment, and you're tuned into the Talking Shed. Today, we're going to talk about kind of a new product and a new adventure for Fennig Equipment. Over the years, we have strived to become the fertilizer application headquarters for the Midwest. We do a lot of work with Salford and their dry units, Farm King with their liquid applicators, and today we always push to bring the best products to our customers. And today we're excited to announce that we are the Ohio's newest J&M dealership. We're going to be able to provide our customers with several different product lines, specifically right now kind of starting with their Nitro Grow, their fertilizer applicators. These are really nice applicators made right here in Fort Recovery, Ohio. They feature different colder options, hydraulic drive, large tank capacities, and several width options. So that's another avenue that we're going to add to our fertilizer application line, and it's going to offer a lot of different things for our customers. We can hang Y drops on these units. Our triple threat will work. So it's an exciting time, and we just want to reach out to our customers, let you know that we're going to be able to get you this newer product, not only for J&M but for Fennig Equipment. So give us a call. We can get you these applicators. They come in 16 rows, 11 rows, 20-inch spacing, 30. They're very flexible. So give us a call today or visit our website at fennigequipment.com. Thanks for tuning in.